how to cancel skip the dishes order. If you ordered a food from Skip the Dishes app and then you'd like to cancel your order, first of all, it depends upon how long has it been since you placed your order. Now, if your order has not been picked up by a writer and the preparation process has not begun, then in that case your order could be cancelable. But if your order is already prepared and it's on the preparing process and the packaging process, in that case it might not be cancelable, and even if it was, you might most likely incur a certain amount of fee. Now what you have to do is to check. Sometimes if you're lucky, you will be able to cancel it. Launch the Skip the Dishes app and log into the account where you think you've ordered something. Then just go to the orders icon from the bottom right of the screen and you will be able to see a list of orders that you have. Over there you'll be able to find the order, and then from there what you want to do is find the order that you want to cancel and select the cancel button. But if you do not see the cancel button, tap on the help icon over there. When you tap on the help icon, then from there you'll be able to cancel your order respectively. This way you will be able to go ahead and then cancel your Skip the Dishes order. I hope the video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon as always in the next video.